Icera ria ruhonge ruu riambiriirie na guthurima kiganda gia gutheria mai ma giko ma kambuni ya EPZ itura-ini ria Kinaine mwena wa Athi River, Nema ikiuga niyonete kiganda giki kiri na mahitia ma kuonereria giko ruu-ini rwa Athi na gucungirira gucenjia rangi kwa mai ma rui ruru.
Because what we are noting here is that the effluent from the sewer is the one that is after discharging to the river. We are noting that that's where the problem is, and as you know, the river is flowing downstream even up to Thwake.
Kiganda giki gigiathwo kurugamia mihango yothe ya utai wa giko ruu-ini ruru nginyagia uthuthuria wa gikiro kia ugwati kiria kingikorwo gigicungiririo ni giko kiu wikwo. Nema ikirira ikari aria makoretwo magitumura mateta mao nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria gwithirania uthuthuria wayo wigie uthukangia wa rui ruu.
What we are appealing to the public, members of the public and the industries that are connected to the treatment works or to the sewer. We are appealing to them to carry out, to ensure that they undertake analysis and also put up, install treatment works before they release their effluent.
Uthukangia wa rui rwa Athi uratuika wikurukitie maruru maguo kuma mwena wa Athi River nginyagia mwena wa Kirima Mbogo kuria rui ruru ruthiete rutuikaniirie. Kiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.